Namaste. Today I shall tell you how to make rasam in the traditional way. Ayurveda experts recommend that we should have rasam in our daily diet as it helps for better immunity and resist viral diseases. I shall tell you what all ingredients are necessary to make this rasam the traditional way. To make this rasam, we would need water, coconut oil, mustard seeds, small onion, jaggery, tamarind, salt, turmeric, asafoetida, tomatoes, garlic, tur dal, peppercorns, fenugreek, ginger, coriander seeds, red chilies, coriander leaves and curry leaves. First, we have to crush certain ingredients. So we'll get it crushed in this: red chilies, coriander seeds, ginger, fenugreek seeds, garlic, peppercorns and the tur dal. We have to get this properly crushed. I've placed the pot on the stove. Now I shall add some water. We'll switch on the flame. And now we shall add the crushed ingredients. And then juice of the tamarind, turmeric, asafoetida, the tomatoes chopped. Give it a good stir, a very good stir, so that it mixes well. Then close the pot with the lid and allow it to boil well. Now let's see, it started boiling. Yes, it started boiling, and now we'll add salt as per your taste. Now let's close it again and let the quantity of the water decrease to almost 3/4 of what we have actually added. So we'll wait till then, let it boil. Now the water is reduced to almost 3/4 the actual quantity. Now let's put some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now close it with the lid and keep aside. Now to do the seasoning, take a pan, a small pan, and put it on the stove and light the flame. Okay. Now we'll pour in some coconut oil. Now let it become hot. Meanwhile, we'll just add a small piece of jaggery into this rasam mix and give it a stir. Now the oil has become hot. We'll put in the mustard seeds. They've started to splutter. We'll put one red chili, some curry leaves and the sliced small onion. We lower the flame and give it a gentle mix and wait till the onions turn a slight brown. Okay, now switch off the flame and we'll put this mix into the seasoning into the rasam mix. Now the rasam is ready to serve. We just give it a mix and we can pour it into a dish ready to serve. Now let's pour the rasam into the serving bowl.